Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how I make my matcha latte. I make mine with almond milk, but you guys can make it with whatever. It's super creamy and foamy and it's just really good on a cold day, especially for breakfast. So if you guys are interested in learning how I made it, keep on watching. Okay, so excuse the stove, I got asparagus going, but so first things first, you want to have your matcha powder, any type of milk, and then I have hot water here, and then I'm going to put my milk in here. So first I'm going to get about 2 teaspoons of matcha powder just because this cup is bigger. Well, maybe a teaspoon and a half because that's how I've tried it so far. So you just put it in your cup. I'm getting a little more so it's a little more green. And then you're going to pour just enough water to cover this. And you're going to whisk that together. So I don't have a proper matcha whisk. I just have this small one. And I like to just go back and forth. Which is probably not the right way at all. I mean, it's not the right way, but this is how I do it. And it actually is really good. I tried this with coconut milk. Well, from Starbucks. I tried it with coconut milk and I did not like it. So now I tried it with almond milk and it's actually really good. So I frothed it up a little bit. Hold on. Frothed it up a little bit. I should have got the milk hot actually, but you know, just make sure all the powder is mixed perfectly. Like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour some milk into here. You want enough as to fill the cup. I fill the cup, but it depends on how sweet you want it. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. Usually I put the milk in the cup first before using the matcha, or before putting the matcha in there, but I forgot to do that right now. That way you can kind of measure how much milk you're gonna want. But I'm just gonna fill it up like that. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. You don't have to do this, but it just helps to sweeten it up a bit. Just a little bit. Okay. So I've tried both ways. You can either shake it up cold and then heat it up, or you can heat it up and then shake it. The first way I did it was put the milk in a pot. Sorry, I can't speak. I put it in a pot, and then after it was heated, I whisked it up. But that just takes longer. This is easier. So I'm just going to shake it up and then pop it in the microwave, and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna try heating it up actually because, well, there's enough foam. There's a good amount of foam. Okay, I'm gonna heat it up first. Okay, now it's hot. It's gonna spill. If you have the time, do it in a pot or in your frother. You're not gonna get steamed milk this way, obviously, but it makes it frothy enough. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this in here. And then this has the little spout so I can pour it in there. And there you go. Delicious matcha latte. Give it a try, guys. It's super good. So don't mind my face, guys. I just woke up not too long ago, but I'm gonna try it. Super good. Super good. I don't know how good this is for you in a latte form, but I know matcha is really good for your body. But this is the only way I can really drink it. I mean, I haven't tried it regularly, but just I can tell that I probably won't like it just with water. So this is how I have to drink it.